And welcome back to the channel. Guys, in recent years, prebiotic sodas have become a trending health drink, claiming to support the gut health while offering a refreshing alternative to traditional sugary sodas. But are these drinks truly beneficial for your health, or are they just another marketing fad? So, in this video, we will dive deep into what prebiotic sodas are, what are their nutritional content, what are the health benefits, potential side effects, and whether they can be relied on for your daily fiber intake. Let's explore whether these fizzy drinks are worth the hype. So first, let's get to know what is prebiotic soda. Prebiotic soda is a carbonated beverage infused with prebiotics, which are non-digestible fibers that feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Unlike the probiotics, which introduce live bacteria into your system, prebiotics nourish the good bacteria already present in your body. So here are the key features of prebiotic sodas. They are typically low in sugar or sweetened with natural alternatives like stevia or monk fruit. Second is often they are flavored with natural fruit extracts or herbs. They are designed to offer a healthier option compared to traditional sodas. Popular brands like Olipop and Poppy claim their drinks support digestion, boost immunity, and promote the overall well-being. Now let's see the nutritional content of prebiotic sodas. The nutritional content of prebiotic sodas varies brand by brand, but here is a general breakdown. So, typical nutritional profile per can are as follows. It contains calories 20 to 40. It contains fiber 5 to 9 grams, which is 20 to 30% of daily fiber needs. It contains 2 to 5 grams sugar, which is natural. It contains sodium 0 to 20 milligram. It also contains prebiotics, often derived from sources like chicory root, inulin, or cassava fiber. These drinks are designed to be low calorie, high fiber alternatives to traditional sodas. Now let's see the health benefits of prebiotic sodas. Consuming prebiotic sodas regularly may offer several potential health benefits. So first is it improves gut health. Prebiotics helps nourish beneficial gut bacteria, improving digestion, reducing bloating, and supporting a balanced microbiome. Second, it enhances immunity. A healthy gut is closely linked to strong immune system. Prebiotics can indirectly boost your body's defense system. Third, it promotes better digestion. Regular fiber intake helps maintain healthy bowel movements and reduces the constipation problem. Fourth, it helps weight management. The fiber contained in prebiotic sodas promotes satiety, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Third, it helps for blood sugar control. Prebiotic sodas often have a low glycemic index, making them suitable for individuals looking to manage blood sugar levels. It also a healthier soda alternative. For those trying to cut down on sugary sodas, prebiotic sodas provide a flavorful and low calorie substitute. So now let's see the potential side effects of prebiotic sodas. While they are generally safe, there are some potential drawbacks we need to consider. So first is digestive discomfort. If someone is consuming too much of fiber, especially for those not used to it, can lead to gas, bloating, or diarrhea overall. Second is allergic reactions. Some ingredients like chicory root or inulin may trigger allergic reactions in sensitive individuals. Third is hidden additives. Certain brands may include artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives which might not align with a clean eating lifestyle. Fourth is not a cure all. While prebiotics are beneficial, they are not a magic bullet for any health issue. Relying solely on prebiotic sodas without addressing overall diet quality is not at all advisable. So, should you rely on prebiotic sodas for daily fiber? Prebiotic sodas can be a convenient source of fiber, but they shouldn't be your sole source. Here is why. Because it has limited fiber content. While a cane can provide 20 to 30% of your daily fiber needs, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, and legumes and grains are more nutrient dense and versatile and can provide more fiber content. Second is diverse benefits of whole foods. Whole foods offer additional vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that prebiotic sodas lack. Third is cost considerations. Prebiotic sodas are often expensive compared to natural fiber sources. So here is the best approach. Enjoy them as a supplement to fiber-rich diet, not as a replacement. So are prebiotic sodas worth it? Prebiotic sodas can be refreshing and beneficial addition to your diet when consumed in moderation. They support gut health, offer a healthier soda alternative, and provide a convenient fiber source. However, they are not a substitute for a balanced diet rich in whole and unprocessed foods. So here is my final tip. If you are new to prebiotic soda, start with 1 can per day and monitor how your body reacts. Pair them with a variety of natural fiber sources to optimize your gut health and the overall well-being. So let me know what your experience was with prebiotic sodas. Share your thoughts or favorite brands in the comments below. And if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and wellness content. I will see you in the next video.